Happy Thursday. Sorry I'm not there again, but today you are reviewing for your quiz tomorrow by doing task cards and a class kick and input-output tables Google form exit ticket. So after watching this video, you are going to follow the link in Google Classroom under Thursday's work to go to the independent, dependent variables task cards. They look like this. Each one has either a graph, table, or word problem involving independent, dependent variables. You can ignore the next card part down here. You just have to circle or highlight the answer. You can ignore the go to next letter. This was originally designed to be a scavenger hunt, but obviously we can't do it that way today. So all you have to do is answer it. You don't have to worry about that part. So for example, your A card, you have a list of people's heights and their shoe sizes. Typically, the taller someone is, the bigger their foot. As you can see here, the 6-foot person has a bigger shoe size than the 5'2" person. So what is the dependent variable? Is their foot size affecting their height? Or does their height affect their foot size? You can see the second one sounded better, right? The taller they are, the height is affecting their foot size. So the shoe size is dependent. And if you remember looking at a table, the second column is always the dependent variable. So if you know how to read the table, you didn't even have to think about the relationship. I know that second column is always dependent. So the shoe size, B, the student's shoe size, is the dependent variable. And then you're just going to work through all 10 slides. Right? The toppings affect the cost of the pizza. You know the x-axis, the toppings, is always independent. The y, or your y-axis, the cost of pizza, is always dependent. So what is the independent variable? The number of toppings. Okay. So this shouldn't be too hard as long as you remember which variable is which axis is which, and I think you'll be fine for your quiz tomorrow. A double check on tables is in this Google form, also linked under Thursday classwork. It's kind of like an escape room. You have to answer the questions correctly to go on to the next question. They're all about tables, asking you the rule. What am I doing to the first number to turn it into the second number? 35 to 7, I'm dividing by 5. I'm going to say your option is B. Okay. And you will get a score at the end of this that is worth 20 points. If you finished anything early, you should be working on any missing work from the last 2 days. And remember, no more than one referral and you're not going to be able to go on the trip. So do not mess that up for yourself. I want all good reports. Hopefully I'll see you guys tomorrow.